In today's show, Bitcoin breaking this key level above $10,000 could send the Bitcoin price to the moon. Taking a look at this tweet from Del Boy, he shares this Bitcoin $1 million chart. Slightly different take on the dominant chart structure. Is $14,000 the key to launch Bitcoin to the moon? We'll be breaking this down in today's episode. Also in today's show, the Bitcoin price could jump to $200,000 within 2 years, according to popular crypto analyst Carl from the moon. He wrote, the Bitcoin inflation is now 3.6% and will be 1.8% after the halving. That's officially lower than the 2% inflation target adopted by most central banks. This is actually huge. The Bitcoin price could easily jump to $200,000 within 2 years. We'll be breaking this down in today's show. Also in today's episode, last time this signal flashed, Bitcoin surged over 2,000%. Is it now Ethereum's turn? And the signal we're referring to is the Ichimoku cloud, which shows a bullish crossover, comparing this chart from 2016, which you see on the bottom, to that right now of 2020. It looks strikingly similar. Are we about to see a massive Ethereum breakout? We'll be discussing this in today's show. We'll also be taking a look at the overall cryptocurrency market. As you can see, most of the major cryptos are back in the red. Where's the Bitcoin price likely to go from here? We'll be discussing all this plus so much more in today's show. Here at Crypto News Alerts, I drop a brand new episode every single day. So be sure to smash that subscribe button and click that bell icon to receive notifications of the latest premium crypto news as soon as it's released. And before we kick off today's show, if interested in tapping into OPM, other people's money, to grow your wealth and crypto portfolio, smash the link right below the video in the description. All right, welcome back to another episode of Crypto News Alerts. I'm your host, JV, and let's dive right into today's top story. Bitcoin breaking this key level above 10,000 could send it to the moon. Let's do it. Ever since Bitcoin shot over 1,000% higher in 2017 to hit $20,000, how many of you remember that? A price point that was once seen as relatively unobtainable by some of the crypto's most dedicated bulls. Analysts have been awaiting for the asset to moon. Once again, I know I have. How about yourself? It appears that the moon, a noun turned verb used to describe the price of assets rising in an extremely rapid clip, is rapidly approaching. If Bitcoin can break one key level, that is, Bitcoin needs to break past ultimate $14,000 level, which was last year's high. While the price of the leading crypto surged as high as $20,000 in 2017, it didn't stay at this level for long, failing to establish any semblance of support in that region. In fact, it closed the month of December at 14,000, 30% below the all-time high, as bulls failed to maintain the bullish momentum. And for those not versed in technical analysis, this close meant that 14,000 became the level to cross above on the monthly basis. For a close above this ultimate resistance would suggest a higher high has been established. A chartist going by Del Boy doubled down on this in a recent tweet, remarking that Bitcoin's long-term chart is showing signs that $14,000 might be the key in launching the price of Bitcoin to the moon. And taking a look at this tweet from Del Boy, he wrote, Bitcoin $1 million chart, slightly different take on the dominant chart structure. Is $14,000 key to launch Bitcoin to the moon? And he included this graph, which I'll include in the show notes below the video in the description. This chart is sexy, wouldn't you say? Indeed, News BTC's look at the long-term Bitcoin charts indicated that once Bitcoin surmounted the monthly high of the 2013 bubble around 1,150, the bullish momentum quickly picked up, taking the asset to 20,000 by the end of 2017. So how high will Bitcoin go this time around? While the jury is still out on where exactly the next bull run will take BTC, the consensus is a fresh all-time high of at least $50,000, proven by crazy accurate price model made by an institutional quantitative analyst and shilled by a bona fide German bank. And I actually shared this in yesterday's story. The model, dubbed the stock to flow model, equates Bitcoin scarcity derived from the above ground supply divided by the rolling issuance of the coin to the asset's market cap. It determined to a 95% R squared that after the BTC block reward reduction in May of 2020, a Bitcoin will have a fair value of anywhere between $55,000 to $100,000 $200,000. Jertgen Cap, a Twitter user interested in disruptive technologies, noted that per his transfer function model of Bitcoin's price will catch up to the model created by the pseudo-anonymous analyst Plan B a year after the halving in the middle of 2021. So what are your thoughts? Do you feel this stock to flow model is correct and accurate and that Bitcoin will be trading above $55,000 by next year? Let me know your thoughts in the comments right down below. And now for our next story of the day, the Bitcoin price could jump to $200,000 within 2 years. Look at that stallion. That's an Italian thoroughbred, aka Bitcoin. Bitcoin has been in a slight pullback for the past few days, having descended from the above psychological $10,000 level. And at this time, as we can see in the charts, Bitcoin is trading at $9,656. A crypto trader talks about Bitcoin inflation, comparing it to the inflation target set by most central banks, and makes a bullish long-term prediction on Bitcoin. Bitcoin could easily jump to $200,000 within 2 years. On his Twitter page, Trader the Moon Carl, shout out to Carl, has shared data that after the approaching halving of the major crypto, the Bitcoin inflation is going to reduce from the current 3.6% to 1.8%, cutting it in half. As per him, the majority of central banks have set themselves a target to keep inflation at 2%. So the Bitcoin inflation is going to be lower. The trader also states that within 2 years, the price of Bitcoin could easily hit $200,000. Music to my ears. Taking a look at this tweet from Carl from the Moon, the Bitcoin inflation is now 3.6%, and it'll be 1.8% after the halving. That's officially lower than the 2% inflation target adopted by most central banks. This is actually huge. The Bitcoin price could easily jump to $200,000 within 2 years. So there is a lot of bullish sentiment in the market right now and nothing ultra bearish on the charts at the moment. Crypto analyst Michael Van de Pup says that he does not observe any particular bearish signs on the weekly BTC charts at the moment. What is happening to the BTC price now he believes to be merely a corrective move in an uptrending market. Taking a look at what he shared on crypto Twitter, he wrote, "I'm seeing this weekly view. Yes, we still have to close, and I'm not seeing anything ultra bearish in particular. So far, just a corrective move in an uptrending market. Even 8,800 wouldn't be that bad," as he shared right here. So, and prominent crypto trader Jacob Canfield assumes that now the Bitcoin price is going to either skyrocket or plummet deeper. He shared on crypto Twitter, "Longs filled on that wick. We either soar to the heavens or we go to Valhalla as heroes. Hashtag Bitcoin." What are your thoughts? Are we going to rise or are we going to decline? Let me know your thoughts in the comments right down below. Popular crypto analyst Josh Rager responded to this tweet saying, "I'll witness you, bro." And Dr. Crypto said, "Thank you." John responded, "Hodl Bitcoin. It'll moon in due time. Best money and store of value our world has ever seen. Touche." Wink responded, "There is no best money, by the way. Every money has strengths and weaknesses. Bitcoin's strength is a store of value." And John responded, "Bitcoin is the best money." And I agree 100%. Do you agree? Let me know in the comments below. And taking a look at the overall cryptocurrency market, we can see most of the major cryptos are back in the red. Bitcoin down 0.7%, trading at $9,664. It's really important for Bitcoin to maintain where it's currently at and to close above this level. If we close below 9,600, then I may expect to continue moving on down with the bears. However, if we can close at $9,600 or above, I do feel we will continue this climb. Right now, I personally feel we're experiencing a healthy correction in the market. Bitcoin soared almost 60%, somewhere between 50 and 60% since January. So a healthy correction leading up to the Bitcoin halving, I feel, is necessary for us to continue moving forward and reach new all-time highs. Ethereum is down 1%, trading at $263. XRP is down 0.8%, trading at 27 cents. Miss Litecoin, one of the few major cryptos in the green right now, up 2%, trading at $75. BNB coin down 1%, trading at $22. EOS down 1%, trading at $4.11. We got Bitcoin Cash down 1%, trading at $377. And Satoshi Vision down 2.5%, trading at $283. So as you can see, there definitely seems to be a short-term bearish sentiment at the moment. All right, now let's discuss some Ethereum, shall we? Last time the signal flashed, Bitcoin surged over 2,000%. Now it's Ethereum's turn. Let's talk about it. Ethereum didn't fare too well in 2019. The cryptocurrency actually posted a negative performance, but key indicators show that Ethereum is about to mount an extremely strong, potentially even explosive and parabolic rally. Crypto trader Alunat recently noted that a monumental sign has been seen on the 1-week chart of Ethereum. The price of the asset recently crossed above and confirmed a close above the Ichimoku cloud, boding extremely well for Ethereum's bull case moving forward. Indeed, when this was seen with Bitcoin back in 2016, the crypto proceeded to rally by thousands of percent to $20,000 in the months that followed. This historical precedent suggests Ethereum could do extremely well in the coming years or 2 years. Taking a look at this tweet, he wrote, Ichimoku cloud bullish crossover, Ethereum 2020, which you're looking at in the chart above, versus Bitcoin in 2016. And as you can see, strikingly similar. And that's not the only extremely bullish signal, so keep that in mind. The bullish Ichimoku cloud is far from the only technical indicator to suggest Ethereum's on the verge of a long-term growth cycle that may bring it above $1,000 for the second time ever. As per previous reports from News BTC, prominent trader Galaxy recently noted that the 1-month moving average divergence, which is the MACD, had recently flipped from a bear to bull trend for the first time in 2 years, for the first time since October of 2017. With the MACD being a momentum indicator that tracks an asset's trends, the indicator saying a bull trend is forming on the 1-month chart is extremely positive for Ethereum bulls. Taking a look at this tweet from Galaxy on crypto Twitter, he wrote, "Wow, bro, look at Ethereum pumping, LOL. Zoom out, it's just starting." Indeed, the last time this indicator was seen, the crypto rallied from $300 to a high of $1,440, a surge of just under 400% in under 6 months' time. How many of you are bullish on Ethereum? Drop me a comment right down below if you are, or if you're not, I'd love to know. The fundamentals could add to Ethereum's uptrend, while Ethereum rallying by hundreds or even thousands of percent from here may seem ludicrous. There are fundamentals to back a large amount of growth in the crypto, namely the proximity of the blockchain's 2.0 or Serenity upgrade, which will fundamentally change how Ethereum works in a way that many say will be for the better. Boring details aside, Ethereum 2.0 will see the amount of Ether issued per block be cut dramatically, meaning that the relatively high inflation rate of the asset compared to Bitcoin post-halving and fiat, etc., will be dropped dramatically. The decreased selling pressure from miners, coupled with the adoption enabled by technical improvements included in Serenity, should help push Ethereum higher in the long run. Are you bullish on Ethereum? I know I am, especially for 2020. Let's see how high this crypto shall go. The total crypto market cap is sitting at $279 billion, with $133 billion in volume in the last 24 hours, and the current BTC dominance is 62.9%. And checking out the top gainers in the top 100, we have Kyber Network leading the pack, up 8%, trading at 58 cents. iExec RLC up 7%, trading at 66 cents. Wax, ever. Shout out to DJ Premier. Right? Wax is up 6%, trading at just under 5 cents. DX Chain Token up 5%, trading at 0.001. Terra up 4%, trading at 25 cents, and Cosmos up 3%, trading at $4.82. And taking a look at the biggest losers, Lisk is leading the pack, down 8%, trading at $1.42. AELF is down 7%, trading at 10 cents. Decentraland down 7%, trading at 5 cents. Tezos down 7%, trading at $3.41. Engine Coin down 6%, trading at 12 cents, and Golem down 6%, trading at 6 cents. And taking a look at the BitMEX margins, we can see the bears are back in control, leading with about 86 million in superiority in the last 24 hours, with shorts leading 52% versus 47% longs. Are you bullish or bearish on Bitcoin right now? Let me know your thoughts in the comments right down below. And checking out the Crypto Greed and Fear Index, we're currently rated a 43 in fear, yesterday a 44 in fear, last week a 59 in greed, and last month a 42 in fear. And if you're not familiar with the Crypto Greed and Fear Index, extreme fear can be a sign that investors are too worried. That can be a great buying opportunity. And when investors are getting too greedy, that means the market is due for a correction. And checking out the Bitcoin block reward halving countdown. Woohoo! 79 days to go, 19 hours, 29 minutes, and 44 seconds. The estimated halving date is May 12th. 79 days away. Are you excited? What do you think is likely to happen to the Bitcoin price as we get closer and closer to the infamous halving? I personally feel we'll climb above last year's all-time high, which was $14,000, and that was what we closed December of 2017 with. So I think it's very important to break that, and once we do, sky's the limit, or should I say, there's no limit to the sky. I do feel the potential for Bitcoin to reach a new all-time high, surpassing $20,000 this year and dwarfing it, making it look like child's play. I would not be surprised if we surpassed $30,000 this year. What are your thoughts? Drop me a comment right down below. And I want to encourage you to check out the description right below this video by clicking on see more in the description right down below. And this goes for all my videos. You can check out a detailed analysis of what's going on in the market, followed by some very helpful resources for you to plug into, including the blog to my podcast, which could be found at cryptonewsyes.com. This is updated every single day, in which you can download the latest episodes of my podcast. Also, you're a smart cryptopreneur, so I'm going to assume you've already subscribed here on YouTube. If you haven't, what are you waiting for? Also, we're on all the major podcasting platforms, including iTunes, Spotify, Google Play. We have a top-rated show, by the way, Stitcher, TuneIn. So whatever podcasting platform you're active in, please help support the show. Please help bring awareness to Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, the halving, and all the goodness that comes along with it. I'm also on Twitter, which you can find the latest updates every single day. And I also have a private crypto Facebook group, over 17,000 strong. All you need to do is request to join by clicking on the link, and I'll make sure you get plugged in. And I also have a private crypto Telegram chat, which to join, all you need to do is click this link from a mobile device, and you'll automatically be added. I'm looking forward to connecting with you inside on a personal level. Well, that's going to conclude today's show. As always, I appreciate you tuning in and journeying along with me inside this crypto matrix. At this point, you have two choices. You can choose the blue pill. If you choose the blue pill, you will wake up in Wonderland and forget everything you think you know about reality and cryptocurrency. However, choose the red pill and you will see just how deep this crypto rabbit hole truly goes. You will be exposed to the truth, to the Satoshi Nakamoto. You feel me? The choice is yours. Let me know what you choose. Also, if you gain value out of today's episode, be sure to smash that subscribe button and click the bell icon to receive notifications of the latest premium crypto news as soon as it's released. And real quick before I go, if interested in tapping into OPM, other people's money, to grow your wealth and crypto portfolio, be sure to smash the link right below the video in the description, and I look forward to seeing you on tomorrow's episode. Peace.